Welcome to the MQL4 and MQL5 Programmer's Guide. I'm your host, Andrew McClinton, and today I will be programming the RSI for beginners. Let's begin. First off, guys, open up your terminal and then go to the MetaTrader window in the top left-hand corner. Once you have that open, we're going to be opening this button right here. Click New. We're going to hit Expert Advisor and hit Next, and this will be called RSI Practice. Hit Next, 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 are finished, and then scroll down to the on tick. Now the RSI is a very easy thing to program. We're going to go step by step, okay? Once again, the code will be on my website. First thing we need to do is type in double, and we're going to type in the words RSI. That's the name of the value, and we're going to do RSI equals I. RSI is a pre-built function. Now, if you guys want more information about that, just double click it and hit F1, and now we go to the reference. And we have a couple things we need to look at. How do we want to apply the price? Now, we're gonna go to this in a little bit later, but I'm gonna copy this for now, okay? So now we have our RSI basics. If you guys want to learn how more, remember, just go to reference. The first thing is gonna be null, so you can work on all your broker's currency pairs. We're gonna type in 0 for the time frame. The period, I think we can just do 14. It's an easy setting for it. And basically that's going to be the RSI using 14 candles to get its value. Okay? Next we're going to use the close price for it. So basically the price close. You guys can do the price high, price low, weighted. It's up to you depending on what you want to use for your RSI. Now we're going to use one candle back instead of the current candle. And that is a basic programming for the RSI. Now, if you want more value of the RSI, you guys can change the name, do an _1, and then do the high, for example. Run it off the high. So now we have two different RSIs, and we're gonna do a comment so we can read it in the top left hand of the screen. And when we do our strategy tester, we can understand what's happening. All right, so here's our RSI. We're gonna do equals, we're gonna plus RSI. All right, and then we're going to keep on going up here, make some space. RSI _1. Just, get a little basic. Or we can just call it RSI high. We're going to do RSI. You're going to come down with our low right here. And that's our high, I'm sorry. Now we are finished our program. We're going to hit compile. Compile's right here, basically checking to see if there's any errors and also saving the program. We're going to go down and minimize this and head directly to our Expert Advisor file. And we're going to look for RSI practice. We found it right here. I'm going to use it on EuroCAD on the 15-minute and hit start. Now it might take a little while to load, but basically in the top left-hand corner, we're going to get our values from both RSI from the close and our high. So you have the 33, we have a 36 off our normal RSI, and the RSI high, 33.8. So we're going to run it again. Just hit play, and you can see that the values are changing, meaning that we're properly reading the program. Now, once we have it run, we can hit pause, and then or we can hit stop, and you'll see that these RSI values are different because one's running off the close of a candle, and the other one's running off the high of the candle. And we can verify the difference in the data window here. So if you guys got value out of this, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also join the Telegram or Discord to meet other traders and get contact with me. So once again, code's on the website, and I'll see you guys on the next video.